Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download source code from Base44. We'll walk through where to click, how to find your app, and what to do if you see an upgrade prompt, so you can leave with a clean zip file of your project. Downloading your source code is a great way to create backups, move your project into a version control system, or prepare it for deployment. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Base44 app. Sign into your workspace so you can see your projects. Be sure you're using the account that has access to the application you want to export. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and select All Apps. This view shows everything available to you in the workspace. If you're part of a team, you'll only see the projects you have permission to access. If you have a lot of projects, use the search bar at the top of the All Apps page to quickly narrow things down. This can save time, especially if your workspace contains many applications. Type a few letters of the app name or use any filters your workspace provides until you see the correct tile. Double-check that you've selected the correct project before exporting. Click the app you want to export to open it in the editor or preview area. Once the project opens, you'll have access to all of its available actions. Give the page a moment to load all resources. Exports work best once the editor has fully initialized. Waiting a few extra seconds helps ensure all project files are ready before the export begins. Now move your attention to the very top right corner of the screen. Click the three-dot menu, sometimes called the overflow menu. This is where Base44 keeps secondary actions for the project, including export and other management options. From that menu, choose Export Project as zip. Base44 will start preparing a downloadable archive that includes your app's source code and project assets. Depending on your project, the zip may contain application files, configuration files, and other resources needed for your project. Depending on the size of your app and your connection, this may take a few moments. Just let it process until the download begins. Larger projects naturally take a little longer to package. When the file is ready, your browser will download it like any other file. Check your default downloads folder if you don't choose a location. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a folder that's easy to remember. It's a good practice to rename the zip with the app name and today's date, and store it somewhere backed up so you can find it later. Keeping organized backups can make it much easier to track different versions of your project over time. If you see a message that says Upgrade Required, that means your current plan doesn't include source code export. This is a plan limitation rather than a problem with your project. Zip file export is available on Builder, Pro, Elite, and Enterprise plans. If you're using one of these plans, you should be able to export your project without additional restrictions. If your workspace is on a different plan, you won't be able to complete the export yet. To proceed, click Upgrade Your Plan from the prompt. Follow the on-screen steps to select a plan that includes export. Once your subscription has been updated, the export option will become available for eligible workspaces. If you're not the billing owner, you may need to ask an administrator in your organization to make this change. Only users with the appropriate billing permissions can upgrade the workspace plan. Once the workspace is upgraded, return to your app, open the three-dot menu again, and select Export Project as zip to download your code. After the download finishes, you can extract the zip file and begin reviewing, editing, backing up, or deploying your project as needed. And that's it! Your Base44 source code is now saved locally and ready for review, version control, or deployment. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Base44 tutorials for more helpful tips and guides.